Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a date on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how do we insert a date on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone? Just going to show in this video. For an example, I just need to insert a date here. Okay, so for inserting a date, you can just do this. You have the action button here, click on this, and here you just need to type as date. And here you can find a date. Click on the insert option. Now here you have to choose the date. You have a date, you can just change the month also. Just click any date, you can see the date has been inserted. And also you can just easily customize. Click again, you can just change the date easily. Click on the date option. So here you have the all other options. This is how the way you can just easily insert the date. For an example, here I just need another date here. So you can just insert the same process. Just click here and just click on the date option and just select the date and you can just insert it. This is how you just insert the date on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.